Hello everyone, it's Praveen Galot, final year student from Electronics and Communication branch. Here I am going to represent my seminar report on the topic 5G technology. I extend my sincere gratitude to our Professor Hitesh Saraswat sir and teacher in charge Mr. Himanshu Chabra sir. List of content we are going to discuss in the presentation. Topic introduction to 5G, evolution from 1G to 5G, working of 5G, features of 5G and applications of 5G. Introduction to 5G. In this we are going to discuss about what is 5G and what does it offers. What is 5G? It is just a fifth generation wireless technology. It is completely wireless communication with almost no limit. We can also call it as a real wireless world. It has incredible transmission speed, it has more reliability, massive network capacity, and increased availability. What does it offer? It offers worldwide cellular phones. It offers extraordinary capabilities. It offers connectivity. It offers more power and features. It offers high speed, more dialing speed, and more clarity in audio and video. Evolution from 1G to 5G. 1G, it was developed in 1980 and completed in early 1990s. It was based on analog system. It offers speed up to 2.4 kbps, allow us to make voice call in single country, in our own country only. 2G, it was appeared in 1990s with the first digital cellular network. It is based on digital system. It offers speed up to 2.4 kbps. Sorry, 64 kbps. It serves such as digital voice and SMS with more clarity. 3G, it was developed in between late 90 and early 2000. Its transmission speed is from 128 kbps to 2 mbps. It has superior voice quality and good clarity in video conference. It offers email, information surfing, online shopping, banking, and games, and global roaming. 4G, it was developed in 2010. It is faster. It is faster and more reliable than 3G. It has speed up to 10 Mbps. It has high performance, easy roaming, and its cost is also low. Now our main topic 5G. South Korea was the first country to implement 5G in April 2019. Next major phase of telecommunication and wireless system. It is 10 times more capable than other networks. Its speed extended up to 1 Gbps, and it is more faster and reliable than 4G, and its cost is also lower than the previous generation like 1G, 2G, 3G or 4G. Working of 5G. Network service area is divided into geographical areas called cells. Small geographical areas called cells. 5G wireless device in cell communicate with radio waves, and local antenna, low power attenuated transceiver. Transceiver is actually a transmitter and a receiver which is implemented in a cell. Local antenna are connected with the telephone network and the internet by high bandwidth optical fiber or wireless backhaul communications. New wireless devices include 4G volt support as well to establish a connection with the cell and to connect to the internet at a local locations where 5G access is not available. 5G can support up to 10 million devices as per square kilometer. 5G support on three different spectrum band. First one is low band spectrum, which has peak speed up to 100 mbps. Now second one is mid band spectrum, which is high peak speed up to 10 mbps, and third one is high band spectrum, which has peak speed up to 10 gbps. Here is the 5G network architecture, and there's a central server is there and local servers which are connected to the central server. Features of 5G. It is high and increased peak bit rate, large data volume per unit area, high capacity to allow more device connectivity, and more bandwidth. It has low power consumption or low battery consumption, better connectivity irrespective of the geographical region where we are in. Uh, large number of supported devices, low cost of infrastructural development, higher reliability of communication. Now applications of 5G. It will make unveiled global standard for all. Network availability will be everywhere and will facilitate people to use their computer and such kind of mobile device anytime, anywhere. Its application will make world real Wi-Fi zone. Its radio technology will facilitate different versions of radio technology to share the same spectrum efficiently. Its application will facilitate people to avoid radio signal at higher altitude as well. That's all. Thank you.